Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh here, and just want to make a quick video testimonial for my health coach, Neil. I've been working with him for the past few months now, pretty much trying to dial in my energy production and just being able to be focused, energized, and productive every single day. I came to him because, midday, even like early morning, I was crashing completely with my energy. I would wake up energized and, a couple hours later, like I couldn't even get up and do anything. Like I just didn't have any brain power to get work done and push my business forward. I was pretty much relying on, caffeine, energy drinks, the ones with the artificial stuff in it that you shouldn't be taking, that's bad for you. So I came to him wanting a different solution to have clean energy, pretty much, take control of my body and really have that peak energy and peak state for long periods of time throughout the day, so that not only can I get my work done, but I can also be more productive because I have more focus and more energy to push my business further by getting more stuff done during the day. So like I said, I've been working with him for the past couple months now. I have to be honest, I'm still not 100% there yet. There's still a couple things that we're working on, but I have seen dramatic improvement in my energy and my focus. I no longer crash randomly throughout the day. I have more steady energy and steady focus. So I am blessed for that to happen to me, because that's one of the biggest things that I've struggled with. So if you guys are struggling with, getting energy or crashing during the day that most people, they feel because they don't put the correct things into their body, they're not using the correct supplementation, or you're just relying on caffeine to get you through the day, get in contact with Neil. He will get your body right and get your mind right and get your energy right and your focus right, so that you can be the most productive, energized, and healthiest person that you can be. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful. Don't hesitate to work with Neil. This is an investment into your health. Once you can really nail down your health, you can do so much more during the day. So that's it. I hope you guys have a great day.